Using a VPN on your mobile device can enhance your online privacy and security while also allowing access to geo-restricted content. Here's how to use a VPN on your mobile device. Select a VPN app. Visit your device's app store and search for a reputable VPN provider. Download and install the app. Sign up and log in. Open the app and sign up for an account if required. Log in using your credentials. Choose a server. Once logged in, the VPN app will typically prompt you to select a server location. Choose a server based on your needs like anonymity, accessing geo-blocked content, or faster speeds. Connect. Tap the Connect button. The VPN will establish a secure connection to the selected server. Browsing. Open your browser or any other online app and your internet traffic will be routed through the VPN server. Your IP address will appear as though you're in the server's location. Disconnect. When you're done using the VPN, return to the VPN app and tap the Disconnect button. This will revert your connection to your regular network. Settings. VPN apps often provide settings to customize your experience. You can enable features like automatic connection on public Wi-Fi or choose specific apps to use the VPN.